Welcome back to Diabetes Every Day. In addition to being a registered dietitian and certified diabetes care and education specialist, I'm also managing my diabetes like you. I understand the challenges that diabetes presents, and I'm always on the lookout for science-backed tips and tricks to help managing blood sugar. Many of you have asked for more plant-forward recipes, meaning that ingredients are all from plants. It's a win-win when I find a plant-based recipe that also provides a great source of protein. This spring, I grew edamame, soy, in my garden plot, so I went to the Soyfoods Council to find a recipe. I found two that sound fantastic. One for edamame and corn relish, and one for edamame and corn salad. And then I discovered that Eat Anything Tony, my husband, was going to be picky. Like the relish recipe has cucumber and he's not a huge fan. The salad recipe calls for onion powder, cumin, and did not include our homegrown tomatoes. He says fresh onion, no cumin, too strong, and yes to tomatoes. So, to get along this sudden urge to be more interested in what goes into his stomach, we're picking his best aspects of each recipe, and of course, I'm guiding on the nutrition quality as we modify these recipes. The key is high quality protein from the edamame, and for us, it's truly a farm-to-table treat. Edamame is a food that contains protein and carb. As I've mentioned before, a carb and protein food is very helpful in managing blood sugar because the protein can help blunt the rise in blood sugar. Okay, now to the recipe. Here are the ingredients for our edamame and corn salad recipe, homegrown. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons soybean oil, 1 teaspoon of a low-calorie sweetener, 1/2 cup chopped onion, 1 1/2 cups cooked edamame, they could be fresh or frozen, 1 cup of cooked fresh or frozen corn, 1 cup chopped tomato, yay, this is from my garden, 1/2 cup chopped red bell pepper, which is also from my garden, and 1/3 cup chopped cilantro, which is optional. There are just a couple steps to preparing this summery fresh recipe. Combine the vinegars, the low-calorie sweetener, and the oil and mix. In a separate bowl, place the edamame, corn, onion, tomatoes, and red pepper. Pour the vinegar mixture over the vegetables, stir to mix. Cover and refrigerate until chilled, stirring once. That's it. I love quick and easy recipes that are packed with nutrition. This recipe makes 6 servings. Each serving contains 170 calories, 16 grams of carb, 4 grams of fiber, 10 grams of protein, 9 grams of fat, and 17 milligrams of sodium. I also love that you can make this recipe ahead of time, so it's ready to eat when you are on your busy days. Thanks, Soyfoods Council, for letting me share your recipe ideas with modifications from Mr. Choosy. Until next time, cheers to your health.